Hey, Dewdrops is dying from CoraVina. Happy Thursday? Thursday? I think it's Thursday. I'm filming these all in advance to try and still get you a marbling video every day, even though things are getting busier and busier. So I might be off with my days. All right, so all this week we are marbling pretty Christmas-inspired paper. Let me pull up our image for today. Ooh, that's very big. And let's see, let me shrink it down here. I've learned so many things to do with computers this year. It's been nuts, all right? So, all right, this is our inspiration today. We're working with a purple wreath. It's got a cute little nutcracker on there. I am in the process of remaking my wreath. It will not look nearly as cute as this one here. Bravo to anybody who can do this. That's not me. Okay, guys, so here are our colors today. We're working with all purples, a little bit berry in there. We might not be able to meet that light pink. I hope we do, but we might not. Then we've got our white. Either way, it's going to be really pretty. All right, let me move you down here to our, guys, first thing we're going to do is come right down the center of the tray with our white. You can see all that ebb and flow. We've been marbling on this tray quite a bit, and it's going to be a good thing. Like, we've had a lot of luck with this tray. It's kind of like when you get old and your body hurts and your back hurts. Well, I done a lot of things with this back, you know. All right. Some of you guys are rolling your eyes at me. I know, I'm sorry. So we're getting our white paint. It is spreading all over. What should we do today? Let's do some lines. We always do lines, I know, but I really like them. I like the way it turns out. And line up our paint. To me, watching the paint move from like one color to another in a marbling print is really pretty. I enjoy it a lot. Hence my obsession with that. Oh, might have a difficult bottle. I do. Oh, maybe this bottle won't work. It looks really clogged. Oh, okay, we'll leave that one alone. Got our lighter grape that we're putting in here. So I'm just gonna come through and thicken up a couple of our lines here. So we've got the nice white, and we've got the purple on the edges. That's cool. And a little bit more of this really light purple. All right, a little uneven, but that's okay. Maybe we'll... Now, we've got a little bit of white. Let's leave it there with a little bit of white, okay? I can see that this purple right here is super dark. Wonder how that's gonna work out in our tray. Sometimes it's fine when it comes to dipping paper, and sometimes it like really runs a lot and kind of disrupts your paint. Alright, so we did it once down, now we're coming back, trying to slow down. Got some nice rows of color now. Whoops. Trying to adjust it so you don't see my hand. So my hand is like not the #1 thing that you're seeing in these videos. Alright, we're gonna bring it back. Oh, do you know how many scarves I have that look like this? I have a lot, and I just realized that from doing inventory, and it's just because I love the way it looks. I always end up stopping there, so we're gonna go nice and slow. Try and get our loops pattern. Oh, that turned out nicely. I'm excited about this, Dewdrops. All right, let's dip our paint down. I'm gonna stick tight to this side so we get a lot of these colors. Here we go. Oh, so pretty. What do you think? I think it is like dead on our wreath. Oh my goodness. That's exciting. Okay, so let me set it down here so it can dry. Ooh, that's really fun. I have a little bit of like streaky white on the side there, but that's gonna be okay. I'm gonna rinse it. Maybe that'll help. Okay, so the paper compared to the inspiration is right here. What do you think? Do you like it? I hope I like it. From right now, it looks really good. Okay, so all this week we have been marbling. Very pretty, in my opinion. Water marbled paper inspired by Christmas. Okay, so we've got one more day to go tomorrow. It's going to be great. I hope you come back and join us. I hope you are shopping at CoraVina.com. Don't miss out on your beautiful scarf. They're one of a kind. So don't miss out. Not making any more of them. Okay, dewdrops. Remember, live colorfully. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.